Since fully connecting to the internet in 1994, China has developed into the world's largest internet market, with the largest number of netizens and mobile internet users, as well as having advanced internet technologies and active application innovation ecosystem over the past 30 years. In terms of scale, as of December 2023, China's internet users reached 1.092 billion. The internet penetration rate reached 77.5%. The total number of domain names reached 31.60 million. The number of internet broadband access ports reached 1.136 billion. 5G mobile phone users reached 805 million. And the country's three major telecommunications companies, China Mobile, China Unicom, and China Telecom, collectively developed 2.332 billion end users for cellular Internet of Things. From the perspective of infrastructure, as of December 2023, China has built and opened 3.377 million 5G base stations, and the total length of optical cable lines has reached 64.32 million kilometers. Over the past 30 years, China's internet technology innovation capability has rapidly improved. Core technologies have continuously achieved breakthroughs, and security capabilities have been greatly improved. In terms of blockchain, as of 2022, China's patents accounted for 63.3%, ranking first in the world. In terms of industrial internet, by December 2023, there were more than 29,000 virtual private networks in the 5G industry nationwide. By 2023, there were more than 340 industrial internet platforms with a certain influence. In terms of big data, according to preliminary estimates, the industrial scale reached around 1.90 trillion yuan in 2023, gradually becoming an important national strategic resource. At the same time, China's artificial intelligence industry is also booming, with the scale of the core industry reaching 500 billion yuan, the number of enterprises exceeding 4,300, and innovative achievements constantly emerging. At present, China's total scale of computing power ranks second in the world. In terms of 5G, China has achieved systematic breakthroughs in key technologies and has become the leading force in 5G standardization. As of the end of September 2023, the number of 5G standard essential patents accounted for over 42% of the world. Over the past 30 years, China's cybersecurity capability has improved significantly. A system of cybersecurity policies and regulations has taken shape. More than 300 national cybersecurity standards have been formulated and published. The country's system and capacity for protecting critical information infrastructure has increased significantly. It has promulgated laws and regulations on cybersecurity and the security protection of critical information infrastructure. The country's cybersecurity emergency response system has been continuously improved, and it has issued a national emergency plan for possible cybersecurity incidents. Over the past 30 years, China's digital economy has developed vigorously, leading the world in scale of development, making digital social services more inclusive and convenient, and fully benefiting people through the internet. In 2022, the scale of China's digital economy reached 50.2 trillion yuan. In the same year, the revenue of the electronic information manufacturing industry reached 15.4 trillion yuan. Software revenue exceeded 10 trillion yuan for the first time to 10.8 trillion yuan. By 2023, China's online retail sales of physical goods accounted for 27.6% of total retail sales of consumer goods. More than 26.7 million telemedicine services were provided nationwide. By the end of 2021, around 100% of primary and secondary schools had access to the internet, more than 210,000 schools had access to wireless networks, and 99.5% of primary and secondary schools had multimedia classrooms. Since China proposed to jointly build a community of shared future in cyberspace in 2015, it has accelerated the construction with concrete actions. The country has issued the International Strategy of Cooperation on Cyberspace, put forward the Global Initiative on Data Security, signed the G20 Digital Economy Development and Cooperation Initiative, held the APEC Workshop on Inclusive Digital Society, and upgraded the World Internet Conference to an international organization with a permanent body. Over the past 30 years, the development of the Internet in China has profoundly changed people's way of production and life, and reshaped their way of thinking and behavior. Cyberspace has become a new home for the people.